Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. In this video I'll show you how to install it to front windshield. In the beginning we have to install this part to the camera. So let's put the ball shaped part of this holder right in this hole. Then you have to take out this plastic, and right here we've got the second part of this plastic. Let me just take it out of the box. So you have to simply take out again this foil, glue it to front windshield, and then put it like this, because it's magnetic. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.